Do you want to control the temperature of your home from your phone? Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We share weekly videos because we want to help you improve your home. Welcome back, Remodelaholics. I'm Justin. Today I'm going to show you how to install a Honeywell smart thermostat and show you how to connect it to an iPhone. So I will have in the description a link to where you can get this product. With Cassidy's current pregnancy, she's in some desperate need of controlling the temperature around our house. And we're really hopeful that this thermostat is going to help out with that. It has some really cool features. First of all, it's Wi-Fi, so you can control it with your phone. And it has sensors that you can place throughout the house and know what the temperature is in each room. And you can have up to 20 sensors throughout your house, but this package just comes with one to get you started. It also works with Google Assistant and Alexa, so that's pretty cool. So give me a thumbs up if a smart thermostat is something that you would benefit from in your house. So I'm gonna first take off this old thermostat that we have. It's actually not a bad thermostat, it's just, it doesn't have the Wi-Fi capabilities like this one does. And I have the furnace shut off right now, so it's not going to be working, which is one of the first things it told me to do. So with this thermostat, all I have to do is pull it straight off. This is what you get in the box. So here's the new Honeywell Home touchscreen pad, and here are the pins that this one will plug onto the wall. I'm gonna have to take this one off and wire it the same way for this one right here. So I'm doing the compatibility check right now. It's asking me, do you have a line voltage system? Line voltage systems have thick black wires with wire nuts or are labeled high voltage. Okay, so I'm not seeing that big black wire. So I'm gonna say no, and now I can continue to the next step. Okay, so right here on page 6, do you have a C wire? Look at the thermostat wiring checklist from step 8. Is the C terminal checked? So I do have a C wire. That means yes. Installing your new thermostat on page 9. Alright, so I went through the compatibility check and it looks like all my wires check out. I shouldn't have any problem continuing to install this thermostat with the current setup that it already has. So I'm going to move on to that and install the new thermostat. So I'm going to take a photo of all this to make sure I keep everything the same and don't lose track of where the wires are going. So now I can disconnect the wires and remove this old wall plate. So I did have to find a small enough screwdriver to get these little screw heads loosened up. So inside the new thermostat box, it actually has little labels. I can peel these off and put them around these wires to make sure I keep the same wires in the same location for the new thermostat. So the last time we painted this wall, I didn't take off the thermostat, so I'm just going to touch up the paint around here so when the new one goes on, it looks nice because there was missing paint. This thermostat's a little smaller. Now I just need to put the mounting plate where I want it. I'm going to drill some holes, put in some anchors, and then screw it in place on the wall. So now that I have this mounted on the wall, all I have to do is plug these in. So you're going to press the clamp down on the outside and then push the wire inside the hole next to the letter. Okay. There's red, there's C right here. Just kind of clamp that in there. And then for the red, this RC needs to be up because I only have one red wire. So that connects there. Okay, so green going here, and white. Go there. And then yellow right here. Tuck those in there, just like that. Close that up. So this is what the back of it looks like. It's got all these pins that go right inside here. So it'll line up everything the way it's supposed to be. Push that in there like that. Level it out a little bit. And then it's got this little cover we can pull off. Now I'm going to go turn the furnace power back on and get it programmed. Alright, so at this point we could just walk through the steps that it tells us on the thermostat. This thermostat is located in the dining room, so I'm going to label this as the dining room. I'm in the US, I'm going to use Fahrenheit. Your thermostat is now ready to control your system. Do you have any wireless sensors to add? I haven't set those up yet, so I'm going to set those up later. Wi-Fi. Let's get your thermostat connected to the internet so you can receive local weather information and give you remote control access of your system. Okay, get connected. I'm going to choose my network. I'm going to type in my password. Don't look. Successful. Nice. So I'm using an iPhone, so I go to the Apple App Store, type in Honeywell Home App, and this is what it looks like. It's a little app with the white house on the red background. And then the app has you go through and set up an account, verify your email, ask you what device you're connecting to in your house. So just scroll down and find the device that you have. We are using the T9. It's for my house, so I'm going to click home. If you enter in your zip code here, then it gives you the local weather information. Now at this point, we're ready to connect the phone app with the thermostat. Cool. So I got it on the right network and now they are connected. Okay, so on my phone right now I can see the dining room. It's 77 degrees inside, and I can bump this up or down to cool things down if I wanted. And that plus sign right below the dining room, that's where you can add additional sensors for all the different rooms throughout your house. So now Cassidy can control the temperature in the house and in each room from her phone. So we'll have to experiment with it and test all the settings and see how we like the features. After seeing the installation of this project, do you think this is something that you'd be willing to tackle for your home? Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of the weekly videos that we put out to help you improve your home. Don't forget to check out our other videos here and here. Thanks for watching, everybody, and we'll see you in the next video.